Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by selecting the mesh and applying scale and rotation so normals behave predictably. Enter edit mode now and enable face orientation overlay to see flipped faces. Red indicates inward faces. Once done, inspect shading to decide whether per face or smooth normals are needed. Make sure auto smooth is set in object data if using mix shading. This prevents sharp edges from being averaged incorrectly. You are setting the stage, so subsequent normal recalculation will produce consistent lighting and deformations. Once your scene is prepared, select the entire mesh and choose Recalculate outside, Shift+N, to align normals outward. This resolves most lighting artifacts. If pockets remain, select problematic faces and flip normals to correct local inversions. For hard edges or custom shading, create split normals by marking sharp edges and using auto smooth or manually editing custom normals. Make sure to merge close vertices first. Duplicated vertices break normal continuity and will make recalculation ineffective. To finish, enable auto smooth and tweak the angle so sharp features stay crisp while smoothing others. If shading still looks off, clear custom normals to return to calculated state and run Recalculate again. You might need to remark sharp edges afterward. When problems persist, inspect for non-manifold geometry, internal faces, or duplicate vertices. These are common culprits. If you find them, dissolve or merge as needed and repeat recalculation. This usually resolves stubborn normal issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.